Hi, day 28 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick and I'm a mental health coach and the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Learn a new skill. Learning a new skill can sometimes be difficult. If you say it will. No, but actually learning a new skill can get your thoughts off the stress because you need to focus on what you're learning. A couple of years ago, my family and we moved here to a wonderful house in a small town in Denmark. We have lived in a flat for many years, so we didn't have a garden. The most part of my life, I've lived in flats. So when we moved to this house, we suddenly had a garden. It's not a big garden, but it's there and it needs gardening. So I had, and I still have, to learn the skill of gardening. It's a work in progress, I must admit. And even though I'm a girl, newsflash, I really like the big tools like the cutting tools and motor tools and everything, but I'm not allowed to use them so much because if I get my way, I will have cut everything down. But I'm in the process of learning. So, which new skill could you maybe start learning? Write it in the comments and let's share. Could it be painting? Or could it be making videos? Or could it be baking? Or riding a bike or swimming? Which new skill would you recommend trying to learn? Maybe we could help other people, and I am very interested always in learning more. So please share how you see a new skill, and have you tried learning a new skill and how did it go? Take care, stay safe.